Ha Urras a Cuairt slí at the barvasúrach is tolstai for hua a lesachich. Le vigianu kiel at the slían a hacking marha, has you nog as duine vrosnachich go vichina mach some Cuairt. Gebiet wel furach an the nose, na wel shina cheli, a yek in the shaldi and aling a hacking, at a hoste Cannatua elan loish. Halisa Nikelehing a Cuairt mar manager lesachich commercial to ag Urras is Aisha the Cuairt Condri Award Study, is Condri Boinen Unatal. Some plannen roe inlachgal a steachich. Varinjach in slie at niche is tolstai for hua animachich maar vriebachis is onlesachich.
Our consultation in 2016 was an ongoing process, and this was something that just kept coming up. People were really keen to see something happen along the route. It's obviously of importance to the community and we were really keen to do something about that.
Ghailindi Cameron Saunders astig maar of lesachich the project in tolting David is a shachtiag. In Oighreachd vi Cuairt gysur holoch ag Ghabhsainn a session in eva brostach gwyne je gachus go vi gol parst an an tachardism a mwy. Haisha vi Cuairt in a sheen a yanu nas rikshnich eis na sabalche.
So up to now we have done the feasibility, so I've walked the whole route, I've looked at what infrastructure we need, we have done a little bit of work in promoting things, getting walking groups together, and the next stage is to go to community consultation.
Ha Corman Gniavach nog gytron y project sio. Bi Emily Howie I Cladaich eis Gianni Fame gan y slien a hawn mar ha, y Gianni biolvant na bi falaf y chwrs na con hen eis coin gwyn jenne. Y ferwch get bonach gan Gniavach ha bonach gan person down cwjog.
Is ook wel een magutte we kosher de glatok ha bij me hins me vuur kosher chimichle vale gematrich a kosten machen go sig Gianni agus ela namashit makliore de hon ha kleven ha vitchine de glatok ha sho kujo.
Ha kljor gynje a fyddoch eis a gwpers a skide y Gianni Fame gan y slien yn Oighreachd.
Gymryd waik gotrix soro ha shopa da ha mi see cool desks skrummet to machen ders bakan exercise ein agus fiani de kraven nog mal top biometrik tol gewoon glatak goshach agus am sinach na mi slieg naam far mi actually the mark at the so kosher son real bicycle am sinach kare loop maar wieder we
Ha really kutremach gons vitalmach fies wel geharad lesson is had joch maar wie fijn machsen hij agus wel fresh air rein.
Ha kujum gachur turesok maar friaf chuis as a flanner roendach gan. Na betraie se vlianne, gael sich Urras streit de goik wapentje le koorsten feen studie Oighreachd. A hat korm de gynne came a goal ag an aster heen. Has yn dŵr sio asgol imach, agus barach gyw sio, agus koorsten studie I Ianu, sy'n naimri chach.
Tourism is one of our strategic priorities for the estate. Tourism is hugely underdeveloped for the area. We're working hard with lots of other organisations to develop not just the infrastructure, but also to develop activity that's on the estate so that when people visit, they are encouraged to go out onto the land. We see the coastal route as being key to that, and we are looking for the unique aspects of the estate, and the Gaelic language is one of the key unique aspects of this estate.
Am is ook wel een kastenure han Urras de Gianu kala tu as a femor. Son chidoch trouwdag ook tuinje. Fius ma havel hin ha ke majolo sjo. Voor je dit fashion koers je moet glatig aan de theater maar is in plaats.
Woas Elaine agus Richard a Ghabhsainn oichin blianne, en jij gaf weer thuil even jelan oichin natte. Had de nish a reet taieoch tuahan as Ghabhsainn in Shaw.
I used to come here on my holiday and was struck by the scenery and the beauty of the island. We absolutely kept coming back again and again. Living here, we still would like to do all the walks ourselves and enjoy the scenery still because we're discovering things all the time.
En je juffrouw je laat gauri, samelen laat nu. Stualig in moor, brisje daar koolhoef. No laap die sauri, verder willen moet moor haar chauffeur, man vlog, gekühn. Hab die genaamd.
Hij na vriebig gescheen, arkanan, kulter, eigen doelges igleeg. Eigens, has je zo'n korm hort jana holle dinge cruchide soorige eken. Koste geen tuur elan loos. In helan laie zaling zich jaar niet meer huur.